What's going on, y'all? This is Rashad from raeshadbeats.com. Welcome back to another BeatNerd101 tutorial, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to automate gross beat. Now, as you can see, I already have a beat that's kind of halfway finished, and basically I'm just going to show you guys how I make a nice little transition using gross beat for our beat right here. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to figure out which melody I'm gonna play. Actually, let me play the beat first and see what you guys think. Let me know if this beat fire. Leave a comment. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add automation to one of these melodies, and I think what I'll do is it'll probably be the first one right here. So my first melody right here is number 1. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add gross beat to our effects. So go ahead and go to your effects slot and add gross beat, and then once you do that, go to the arrow to the left, the plugin options, presets, momentary, and half speed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use half speed just for one section of this beat, of that melody, and I'm going to automate it like so. So to automate the gross beat, you want to right click on your mix level and click on create automation clip. And what this does is it creates a whole envelope for you to mess with and create that'll change the effect how you wish. So let's play and see what we got. So you see how it slowed down just because we added the gross beat. Now let me show you how this works. So I'm gonna add a node to the envelope. I'm by right clicking. So I'm gonna add this right here, and then let's say we want to fade it in. If you want to fade your gross beat in, you'll take this node and bring it down, and as you can see, we just created a slope. And that's basically how you would fade it in. But for this particular beat, I'm not even going to do it that way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a node, and also right clicking and adding nodes allows you to actually manipulate the way the automation is. I'm going to drag this down, and I'm going to just keep it flat for right here. Now the only part that I want to automate is right over here. So I'm going to add nodes right here. This, drag that up, and just create an automation for this entire pattern. Make this unique. See how that works? So now that we have two spots automated, the intro and this specific part right here, it's like 25 seconds. Oh, I'm sorry, 38 seconds in. We have the gross beat being automated on our melody. And we can adjust it however we like. So say like if I want to do a downward slope, I can do it like that. I kind of like that. Yeah, I think that's cool. So I like the automation that we have. I think the only automation I don't want is this one. So I'm gonna just delete this, delete that node, and we're gonna keep that the same. Now in order to keep all the automations that you just created, how I map my beats out right now, we already have like a finished verse and everything. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just use my slice tool and I'm gonna split this right at the start of the verse and at the start of the hook. So that way we know what we can do. You can also slice this too as well. So that way we can easily copy and paste everything. So I'm gonna look at everything real quick. Let's see. So we got this, the beginning of the verse. Sorry, my fault. And then bring that back. I was trying to let the beat drop, but it just cut off out of nowhere. But it's cool. So anyway, as you can see, by me highlighting the section from where I had it, pressing Control B, I now have the exact automation set in place for the second half of the beat. And then I'm gonna just finish the beat, delete the rest of everything, and I'm gonna just delete all this right here. And that's basically the complete beat. Thank you guys for tuning in to another BeatNerd 101. If you liked this video, if you found this video helpful in any type, way, shape, or form, please like, comment, and subscribe. We greatly appreciate it. And be on the lookout for more BeatNerd 101 tutorials. Thank you guys for tuning in. Rashad Beats out. BeatNerd 101 out. Peace.
Rashad.